How to create a PayPal account. Well, in order to create a PayPal account, you can either install the PayPal application and then you can sign up on the application itself, or what you can do is you can head into the web on paypal.com, and either ways you will get the option for login and sign up on the app and as well as the web browser. So you want to select sign up option. Once you select sign up here, it should take you to the next page where it will ask you for your email. You want to proceed to enter in or type in your email here and then tap on next and go to the prompts to fill out other personal details. And once you have done so, you'll be able to log in. Now in my case, I already have an account, so it is asking me, so I'll just use another email here real quick. So let me show you guys. So click on next once you enter in your email. Once you have done so, it'll ask you for your phone number. Now I do not have another number except for my registered number, so I'm unable to go far beyond this process. But once you enter in your number, you want to enter in your name and then you'll be able to sign up. You can add in your payment details later on. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.